Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today's video I'm going to be making some sequin mixes using these clay sequin mixes which I got from DRK Crafts. The brand on these is called Dress My Craft. This one is the lemon sprinkle mix, which is really pretty. And then this one is called strawberry and banana confetti mix. This one is like a little, this is like my ideal fruit salad. Even though it's only got 2 fruits in it, I love strawberries and bananas with some yogurt on top. Perfect. And then this one is little Easter chicks. The name of it is Yellow Chicks. And this is going to make the perfect Easter spring sequin mix. I'm so excited to use these. I've picked out some sequins ready for my mixes and I thought I would just mix them up on here so you can see how it goes. So I'm going to start off with this one first, the lemon mix. I think I'll pop some of this in first. I've used about half of it because I want to make sure that there's plenty in there so it's like the main feature of the mix. And then I think nearly all of my sequins I'm using are from Craftalia except from one, no sorry, let me start again. They're all from Cartwright sequins except from one which is from Craftalia. It's because I looked at that Craftalia one, I got them mixed up. So this one I'm using is called Pale Ocean Blue Green. So I'm going to add some of this into the dish. This one's only going to have like this one and then 2 other sequins in. So that's really pretty. So I'll give it a little mix as I'm going along. Oops. I say a mix and then I just like tip them all out. That blue is like the perfect blue to go with that mix. It's like the same colour. Love that. And then I've got this one which I believe is the chiffon yellow. When I first put them in these big bags, I said like, oh, I'm going to put the names on the back so I don't forget them, but I never actually got around to doing it. But I'm pretty sure this one is chiffon yellow. I love this shade of yellow. It's like the perfect pastel yellow. I love Cartwright sequins in general. So pretty. Add a tiny bit more. And then also have this one, and unfortunately I don't know the name of this one because I didn't write the name on it, but it's such a pretty colour. Love that. Oh, it's got a random pink one in the bag as well. I'm not sure where that came from. Make sure to avoid it. Oh, I think this is so pretty. I think I might actually add some more of the clay mix in there. I might just be able to add it all in. Let me see. Yeah, I definitely think I can just add the full clay mix in there. These, oh, I'm literally launching it everywhere. These clay mixes are new to DRK Crafts, and personally I'm a sequin lover and I love the clay pieces because it means you can make your sequin mixes like have a theme, which is so cool. So definitely check them out because I have loads of different ones. I'll leave the link in the description box. This is how my lemon mix is looking and I love it. I'm super excited to make some shaker embellishments with that. Next I'm gonna do my Easter chick one. I'm gonna make sure to add plenty of these. I won't add them all at first just in case it looks too many. And also actually have these little Easter carrots which I got last year. I got these on AliExpress and I haven't had a chance to use them yet, so I thought that this is going to be the perfect mix. Add some in, so I'm going to add a spoonful of carrots. It's going to be lots Easter vibes for this one. Ooh, that feels fun to mix those clay together. It feels funny. Right, and then the sequins I picked out for this mix, I've got the chiffon flowers. I've got this green, pretty green shade. It's a pastel green and it's called Margarita. And then I also have this bright yellow, which is called Lemon Yellow. I thought that matched in with the chicks really well. And then I've got this Cartwright sequin mix, which is a pretty floral green. So I'll add some of that in first. I have quite a lot of that in. And then I'm just going to cut open these bags and add a bit of each of these in. I'm going to mix this one at the end. Sometimes I mix them as I'm going. Whoops, put a bit too much of that one in. And sometimes I mix them as I'm going, and sometimes I just mix it at the end for a little surprise. Okay, so let's see for the reveal. This is how it's looking now, and then let's see when it looks like when it's mixed up. Oh. Ooh. These are not normally colours I would normally use. Normally I always use pink. But I'm thinking this is nice for something a bit different, but I'm also thinking I could just add a bit of pink in this. I feel like that would actually look nice to add a bit of delicate pink in there. So that wasn't a part of my plan, but I think I'm going to do it. Got this pretty pink one from Cartwright Sequins, and the bag is pretty empty now. I got the large bags, I think they were 500 grams, and then I put them in my own little Ziploc bags because the bags are not resealable. Yeah, I'm loving this so much more with a little bit of pink in there. So pretty. I'm definitely excited to use this for my Easter and spring crafting. Do one more pink just for good luck. Can't have too much pink. I love how many different sequins are in there. So pretty. So excited to make some embellishments with these. So I've got my two finished ones here, and then I've got one more left to make, which was the strawberry and banana fruit salad. So the sequins which I picked out for this one is another Craftalia one, and then I've got these metallic confetti red ones from Cartwright Sequins, and I was planning on adding some of this pink as well. So let's see how that goes. For my chick one, I've still got a lot of the chicks left. I think at least half left, so I can make another mix with that one. That is good. I love these sequin packs from Craftalia. Whenever I place an order on Craftalia, I always stock up on these. They're only around £1, and they're such pretty mixes. Normally I add them to my own mixes rather than using them as they are, but you could definitely use them as they are as well. And I'm going to add a little bit of red, keeping with a strawberry theme. I feel like this one you could definitely use at Valentine's Day. Even though it's got strawberries and bananas in it, I just think like all the colours, like the pinks, the reds, the golds, I'm going to add a little bit more. I might just add all of it in. I like the fruity ones to be extra fruity. I love the strawberries, how they're like little slices. So cute. So this is my strawberry and banana mix. Love those. I'm super happy with how all 3 of my mixes have turned out, and I'm really excited to make some embellishments with them. So thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you've enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.